guys, welcome to Bab Life, and today I'm going to be reviewing this amazing fuse bead set. So this video is kind of like a tutorial, like if you haven't been using these, I'll walk you through it. Well, it's a first for me, so we'll be learning together. So let's get into it. Okay, so let me just cut this right here. So, we got the little things. Yeah, I remember these. They're like the bead pellets. Okay. And then we got these instructions. Oh, they have like little designs of what you can do, like a rainbow butterfly, and it has directions. I'm gonna have to read those. And then I think this is for the kind of like the parchment paper to like iron them so like they fuse, because I know a little bit. So let's try to get into this. Okay, so I'm going to do the rainbow. See right here? So for the rainbow, you need the circle. Okay. And now I'm going to start placing the beads kind of in the rainbow pattern that it provides. So let's do that. Okay. So I got all the beads on. Be careful not to get all the beads off, because don't want that to happen. So now we need to iron it so they all fuse together. So let's go do that.
9, 10, 11, 12.
Take a few seconds of
Okay, so now that my piece has gotten ironed, here is the finished product. I think it's very cute. It's very durable, which is very unexpected because I thought it would be very flimsy and I thought it wasn't gonna work. And some tips is you need some parchment paper to iron it in between the plastic and the iron, because if you don't, it'll mess up your iron. And my kit provided some of this stuff, but if your kit or your beads don't, then just use the parchment paper that's around your house. And the preferred setting for the iron would be like cotton, because it is hot enough to melt the beads, but is not hot enough to burn it on the first try. And yeah, and one more thing is you should need an adult on standby or somebody, because you can burn yourself and it's not fun. So let an adult help you if you're a child like me. This is the end of the video, so make sure to like and subscribe and comment what your favorite animal is. And make sure to hit that bell so you can get notifications of our new videos, and we are trying to post more. I'm sorry that we had a little break for that, for reasons, our personal own reasons. So yeah, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and peace out. Bye.